TDK India Private Limited, a Japanese MNC, is located in Kalyani in West Bengal. TDK manufactures and markets electronic components and systems that include automotive, industrial, and consumer electronics. At the onset of 2020, Kalyani management decided to install solar rooftop plant for generating green power and to reduce the carbon footprint and help TDK to increase the penetration of renewable energy, hence reduce the dependency on grid power. This solar plant is on OPEX basis with Berkeley Energy as the investor. Berkeley Energy is Singapore-based private equity fund who invests in solar plant installed in client premises and signs long-term power purchase agreement with the off-taker. Berkeley Energy awarded the contract to Roofsol Energy in May 2020 for complete engineering, procurement and construction of the project on turnkey basis. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, it was a challenge for Roofsol to mobilize the team with all safety measures to plan an efficient execution of the project. Various attributes like working on heights, managing social distancing, regular health checkups, etc. were the key focus areas for the company. Roofsol carried out comprehensive study of the site for the installation of rooftop solar project with shadow and PV cyst analysis. It was identified that 1 megawatt peak of solar plant can be installed on different roofs of TDK. The key components of the project were Trina modules and SunGrow inverters. Safety equipments like lifeline, walkway and guardrails were installed for the safe construction, operation and maintenance of the plant. Multiple roofs with steep slope of over 15 degrees was a major challenge for the execution team. The project was completed within the stipulated time period with all the required government approvals. With this installation, the solar plant will annually generate around 14 lakh units of electricity, which will save over 1 crore rupees of electricity bill every year and reduction of more than 1000 tons of carbon emissions into the atmosphere. Roofsol is proud to be associated with TDK India and Berkeley Energy and looks forward to more such opportunities. Go green, go solar, go Roofsol.